Sandia National Laboratories Nuclear Energy Work Complex is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The complex is divided into two work sites, the Cylindrical Boiling Facility, or CBL, and the Surtsey facility. These facilities focus on performing high-quality and real-world testing of nuclear power components. Here, cutting-edge research contributes to the understanding of systems critical to commercial nuclear power production, including the exploration of natural phenomena and the satisfaction of regulatory requirements. The results from this research help shape nuclear energy policy in the United States. Originally constructed to test the flooded cavity design for reactor accident termination, CBL now offers a well-controlled and isolated chamber to reproduce steady state and accident conditions. The primary purpose of the tests carried out in the Nuclear Energy Work Complex is the collection of validation quality data that may be benchmarked against computer models under both normal and accident conditions. By working with full-length, highly prototypic test assemblies, data representative of real-world systems can be used to test the performance of codes and improve confidence in predictive capabilities. For example, CBL has been used to study cladding fires in spent nuclear fuel pools during complete loss of water accidents. Prototypic length test assemblies were subjected to simulated accident conditions, and validation quality data was collected over the course of this destructive testing. The testing currently being carried out in CBL involves a dry storage cask simulator, which is instrumented with heater rods to mimic the decay heat of spent nuclear fuel and is designed to validate various thermal hydraulic codes, such as ANSYS Fluent, STAR CCM+, and COBRA SFS. The CBL structure is designed to allow for safe testing in an isolated vessel, as well as integration with customizable instrumentation and data acquisition systems. The other work site of the Nuclear Energy Work Complex is the Surtsey facility. Originally, the Surtsey site was used to test high-pressure melt ejection accidents in a nuclear power plant. The site was also used for destructive testing of nuclear reactor pressure vessel lower heads. The facility has expanded to include multiple testing chambers. The Surtsey facility houses a large construction site where test components are built and assembled. The construction site can also be used for testing. The facility also includes a fully equipped machine shop for the creation of customized parts suitable for the complex setups required for large-scale testing. One of the testing chambers is currently exploring the transmission efficiency of aerosols through an engineered orifice. The results of these tests will help to inform nuclear industry and regulatory bodies of the potential consequences resulting from a stress corrosion-induced crack in a dry storage canister for spent nuclear fuel. The large-scale testing capability of the Nuclear Energy Work Complex has provided Sandia National Laboratories the opportunity to be at the forefront of nuclear energy research for nearly 40 years. The work conducted at the CBL and Surtsey facilities continues to offer improved understanding of how nuclear power components will function under normal and accident conditions.